Hello, this is Logan from Keep Question. I'm going to use this video to connect my Windows 11 desktop and to my MacBook Pro. I want to set my MacBook Pro 60-inch as my Windows 11 desktop's external display. As we know, one desktop should connect an HDMI display. However, sometimes we need to connect our laptop as an external display. How to make it? What I need is a USB to HDMI female capture card. I have connected my HDMI cable to my Windows desktop and connect this USB to HDMI capture card to my USB-C hub. I have connected this USB-C hub to my MacBook Pro 16-inch. I will show you how to make it. I have installed OBS software in advance. I will open OBS software. Here I would click sources, click plug icon, add source, and then choose video capture device. Create a new video capture device. OK. Here it pops the information. Properties for video capture device. I would choose USB audio. OK, I will click OK. Here we can find that my Windows desktop has shown on my MacBook Pro 16-inch, and this is a USB wire mouse. It has connected to my Windows desktop. Right click, full screen preview. Here we can find my MacBook Pro can be acted as my Windows desktop's external monitor. I can just move my mouse, right click my icon. I can just operate my Windows desktop over my MacBook Pro 16-inch. I can find that the USB mouse was not fluent as I just connected my HDMI monitor directly. You can just use this method to connect your Windows desktop to your laptop. Then I will switch to Windows. I have restarted my MacBook Pro and I have installed Windows 10 operating system via Bootcamp and also installed OBS software in advance. I will run OBS Studio software. To the sources option, I click plus icon, then choose video capture device. Create a new. OK. When it popped this information, I click OK. Through this picture, we can show that my HDMI capture card has also captured my desktop's photo on my MacBook Pro's screen. Right click the full screen projector. OK, I had also connected this USB mouse to my Windows PC. OK, I can use my mouse to use my Windows desktop via OBS software. This is my 13-inch MacBook Pro. This is my 16-inch MacBook Pro. Sometimes we want to set my 16-inch MacBook Pro as my 13-inch MacBook Pro's external monitor. Or sometimes you have a Mac Mini. You just want to connect your Mac Mini to your MacBook Pro. How to make it? I use two USB-C hubs. One USB-C hub. I have also connected one HDMI cable. And this white one, USB to HDMI female capture card. And this one, USB-C hub. I had also connected this USB-C hub to my 16-inch MacBook Pro. I'm going to set my 16-inch MacBook Pro as my 13-inch MacBook Pro's external monitor. I have installed OBS software in advance. To the sources option, add sources, and click video capture device. Create new video capture device. OK. It would pop this information. Device, I would choose USB audio. OK. Here we can find that my 16-inch MacBook Pro can show my 13-inch MacBook Pro. To my 13-inch MacBook Pro, I can go to Apple icon. System preferences, displays. To this option, we can find that my 13-inch MacBook Pro can set my 16-inch MacBook Pro as external monitor. To my 16-inch MacBook Pro's screen, right-click Full Screen. OK, we can find that my 16-inch MacBook Pro just mirrored my 13-inch MacBook Pro. When I move my mouse on my 13-inch MacBook Pro and my 16-inch just moves same as my 13-inch MacBook Pro. In this condition, if you have a Mac Mini, you can also use this method to use your MacBook Pro as your Mac Mini's external display. Then I would switch my Mac OS system to Windows 10 system. I have restarted my MacBook Pro 16-inch via boot camp, and I have also installed the Windows 10 operating system on my 16-inch MacBook Pro. I also installed the OBS Studio software on my MacBook Pro, and this is my 13-inch MacBook Pro. I would run OBS Studio software. To the sources, click plus icon, and then choose Video Capture Device. OK. Device, choose USB audio. OK. So this photo, we can see that my 13-inch MacBook Pro's screen just on my 16-inch MacBook Pro. Right-click the icon, full screen. When I just move my mouse on my 13-inch MacBook Pro, we can find that my 16-inch MacBook Pro just the same as my 13-inch MacBook Pro. Through this short video, we can find that if we want to set my laptop as my PC or Windows or laptop's external display, we need a USB to HDMI capture card. We also need the HDMI cable, the USB-C hub, and over these methods, we can just set our laptop as our PC or another laptop's external display. That's all. Thank you.